How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So in today's video, we're gonna do the top 5 things my brother doesn't like about his 2008 Dodge Cummins. In the previous video, we did the top 5 things that he did like. So now we're gonna run through the few things that he doesn't like about it. I'm not sure if it's gonna be hard or not for him to actually think of these things, because what's not to like about this truck, right? Yeah. So let's start rolling through them. And I think I do know number 1 already. It's kind of a bad story.
Yeah, got the deer damage.
The deer damage. And if you guys saw one of our previous videos we uploaded not that long ago, you'll know what we're talking about. You want to give them a brief story of it again?
Suicidal deer ran sideways across the turn and hit the back end of the truck. Usually it's a front end collision with a deer. Yeah, no. So,
I mean, I would rather have that, but that's still pretty unfortunate.
Yeah. That's on the winter fix list. Not by me either.
that deer probably didn't have insurance, so luckily yours is going to take care of it. And if you guys didn't see that video, go check it out. I'll put the card up in the top corner. Gee, so I just noticed that not only did that, but it cracked your paint up here on the actual fender. Screw that deer, right?
Yep.
All right, so the worst of the worst is out of the way. What's number 2 that you don't like about it?
Number 2 would have to be the carved wheels. It wasn't me. I carved them. I bought the truck like that, I promise.
Are they all like that or just this one?
I think 3 out of 4 got curb on them.
Yeah, you gonna fix that or what's your deal?
I'm not too sure right now, because my dolly I swing it like an 18-wheeler, so I don't curb my stuff.
But are you gonna fix these ones or fill them in what you say earlier?
Run a Sharpie through them, color them back out black. No, but I don't know.
You can sand them down, maybe repaint the lips. I don't know.
We'll see what we can do.
So I mean, he didn't do it. He bought it like that. Also, like, he didn't do that. That kind of just happened. Of course, you know, accidents do happen. So you got number 3.
The number 3 would have to be the sort of rusty long arms of the lift. Gotta get that repowdered.
Now, is that just painted or were they powdered to begin with?
I don't know what the guy did there.
But you're gonna plan on getting them powder coated?
Yeah, we're gonna get everything powder coated. A lot of stuff's getting powder coated white.
To match the whiteout look that you're planning for?
Yep. 3.5.
3.5. Broken headlight. Broken fog light, I meant. Another thing he bought it with, so. Yep. Not sure how it ended up getting broke, but I wouldn't like that either. But I'm sure we'll get some cool modified ones to go in there, right?
Yep. Number 4 gonna have to be the crusty front headlights.
The crusty front headlights.
Got something pretty cool planned up for headlights.
Little secret, little sneak peek.
Sneak peek.
I mean, not sneak peek, but you guys are just gonna have to, you know, subscribe and put those notifications on so you don't miss out when those bad boys show up, right?
Oh yeah. Here's number 4.5.
4.5.
Broken mirror. Also bought the truck like that, but
I mean, that's not too bad of a fix. I'd say that's fairly easy, maybe.
Yep. And number 5 would have to be the.
Hold on.
Oh.
Now what's number 5?
It'd have to be the stock taillights.
And just like the headlights, those are also going to go too.
Yep.
So I guess apart from the things my brother listed, I want to be a little different and say the one thing I don't like is, now it's pretty simple, it's not that big of a deal, but up inside here, it's the worn out seat from hopping in and out of this big old lift. What's the lift size again?
6-inch lift.
And I'm 6'7", so even I have trouble getting up in it. And probably that little wear right here on the armrest, but that's nothing too bad to complain about. You buy a used vehicle, a lot of them have problems like that, but just wanted to throw in something a little different. You know, if it was my truck, I wouldn't like that either. I mean, you don't really care, do you?
Not really. Seat cover's an option.
Well guys, I think that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you missed out on the last video, the top 5 things he liked about this truck, be sure and go and check it out. I'll put a card up in the top corner. We got a bunch of cool mods in the lineup for this truck and the other Cummins, so be on the lookout for that. Again, be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any other future content, and go follow our Instagram at ChemCrew, and we post occasionally to there too, so more content for you guys to check out, right?
Yep.
You want to tell them to go follow that?
Oh yeah, go follow that puppy.
You heard them. So I think we're just going to sign off with the usual. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you in the next one.
All right, I'm good.